Ever wondered what triggers that relentless cough and shortness of breath? Yes, we are talking about asthma. Asthma is a chronic condition that inflames and narrows your airways, making it difficult for air to pass through. This leads to symptoms like wheezing, chest tightness, and that all too familiar shortness of breath. But what causes this? Well, there are several triggers, including allergens like dust and pollen, physical exercise, cold air, and even stress. These irritants cause the muscles around your airways to tighten and produce excess mucus, making it harder to breathe. So, asthma can be a real struggle, but did you know that certain nutrient deficiencies can worsen your condition? Asthma and nutrients, you ask? Yes, there's a connection. Imagine your body as a finely tuned machine. Every cog and wheel needs the right fuel to function smoothly. For those living with asthma, certain nutrients play a crucial role in keeping that machine in top shape. Let's start with vitamin D. It's not just for healthy bones, it also helps to control immune responses. Consider taking 20,000 IU of vitamin D3 per day to potentially reduce your asthma symptoms. Then there's vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that protects the lungs from damage and inflammation. Now, on to magnesium. This vital mineral relaxes the muscles around our bronchial tubes, making breathing easier. Lastly, we have omega-3 fatty acids. These mighty nutrients reduce inflammation and can improve lung function. It's clear that these nutrients are key players in maintaining respiratory health. But what if we're not getting enough? Deficiencies can aggravate asthma symptoms, making it harder to breathe and live comfortably. Now that we know about these deficiencies, let's discuss how we can replenish them, right at home. Treating asthma at home can be simpler than you think. A diet rich in specific nutrients can make a world of difference. For instance, fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and tuna are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, known to reduce inflammation in the airways. Citrus fruits packed with vitamin C are another great choice. This antioxidant can help protect your lungs from damage and reduce the severity of asthma symptoms. A study by Harry Hemela, adjunct professor of the University Helsinki in Finland, found that vitamin C at a dosage of 1,000 milligrams per day lowered the incidence of severe and moderate asthma attacks by 89%. Don't forget about nuts and seeds either. These little powerhouses are rich in magnesium, a mineral that can help relax the muscles around your bronchi, improving your breathing. Optimal dosages of magnesium are 300 to 400 milligrams per day for adults, and 200 to 300 milligrams per day for children. If it's challenging to get these nutrients from your diet, supplements can be a viable option. However, before you make any significant changes to your diet or start a new supplement regimen, it's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider. Remember, these home treatments can aid in managing your asthma, but they're not a substitute for professional medical advice. Asthma can be challenging, but with the right nutrients, it's manageable. We've explored the science of asthma, the crucial role of nutrients, and effective home treatments. If you found this video helpful, do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips and remedies. Stay healthy,